Well, good morning, folks. El Capitan here on the SS Masturbator. It's Friday, September 4th. It's 6:17 a.m. Just got out here to my spot. Got my 3 lines out. All got cut shad on them. This has got a middle section, back section, and this has the head on it. Fishing 18 foot currently, trying to float a channel. See what we make of it. So there's the channel. It runs up and bends back around. So we're drift fishing this morning. So got the lights on, as you can see. It's sunrise still. So we're gonna try to do your thing. Got the moon out, full moon last night. So hopefully that there brings us some good luck. So all right. Hopefully it ain't too long. Stay tuned. There's got to be some little ones down there tapping it. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Fish on, baby. Here we go. Here we go. He's a nice one. He's a nice one. I'm gonna have to switch hands. No, no, no. No, 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 no. He's digging. He's digging. Hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Solo today, so. Oh, oh, oh. He's up here barrel rolling, he's trying. I'm gonna have to set that down. Oh, we got leader. Oh, it's a nice blue. It's a nice blue. Come on up, baby. Come on up. Come on. Come on. Ah, yeah. Woo! Little solo, baby. Yeah. That's what I like to see. It's a good way to start the day, guys. Nice little old blue. He down there had plenty of baits to choose from. That circle hook worked perfect, guys. Circle hook worked perfect. Beautiful thing, these circle hooks. These fish just gobble that shit up. Yeah, there we go. Damn circle hooks. Come on, bud. There it goes. Hey, not a bad way, guys. Not a bad way. Good, healthy fish. Real nice looking fish. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, guys. Let's get her back in. Alright, guys. And there she goes. Healthy fish. Beautiful fish. Yes. Good way to start the morning. Got it? Oh, let it go. Yep, sure did. No? He's on there? Really? Really? Fish on? Fish on? Yeah. Let me get this net. Fish on. Go ahead, buddy. Hey, he's a nice one. Hey, look at that. Snagged it. Soaked us. Yeah, buddy. He bit me twice. Bastard. Yeah, little shit.
Oh, you put your hands past the little grips.
Yeah, oh yeah, I put my mouth like right on their tongue.
I put it right on there.
Watch your foot. Ready? You want it in there? You gotta put it like in there. He's still gonna bite down though, but see? He's still gonna bite down. Get that slime off so I can open up my phone. You're making a burp. What are you doing? You got him?
Yeah.
Alright, that's how you want him? You want him like that?
Yeah.
Alright. Go ahead. Here you go. Oh, I don't know what happened.
Sorry, we're videoing the fish.
I'm gonna have to take her off my head so I can see what's going on. Oh, she's recording. She's recording. I don't know what happened. Easy, bud. Hey, there you go. That's one way to get the hook out. Sorry about that, guys. I thought my camera was messing up, which it did at one point in time. He ain't bad. He ain't bad. Come here, buddy. Watch your feet, Mark. Oh, I'm gonna get you. Yeah, guys. He ain't bad. Here, Mark. Just get him under his belly. How you gonna get him? You got him? Yeah, boy. Not bad, buddy. Ready? Go ahead. Hit the release. Bitcha? Yeah, buddy. Real. Lift straight up. Lift straight up. Fish on. Hey. He's in. You got him? Thank you. Just grab him by the fence. Pop it this way. Down and out. Grab it by the front. And go down. Yep. You got it? Yeah, there you go. Got him? A picture of that one? Huh? No?
Hey, wait. Under the belly, right?
Yeah, you can grab by the tail right here. Grab by the tail, under the belly, behind the fence. Yeah, buddy. There you go. Oh yeah, this one just took it. Fish on. Oh, that's a nice one. We got a nice one. We got a nice one. Back on that bullshit. El Cucuy. El Cucuy. You're good, buddy. Yeah. Easy. Don't horse it. Don't horse it. Don't horse it. Easy. El Cucuy. El Cucuy. Yeah. Hey, here they are. Hey. All right, buddy. This is a nice one here.
Your personal best?
Yeah, it is. For channel cat, for sure.
You gonna let me weigh them?
We can. You wanna do that off camera?
Yeah.
Yeah. Easy. Don't be scared. He ain't bad. He ain't bad. You ready? You want me to get him out for you? You just can't be scared. He's a big boy. He's gonna be. You ready? You're gonna grab him by the mouth, right? Alright, if you're gonna grab him, you wanna put your hand in there. Like your hand. Yep. Yep, all four. He's bigger fish, and you wanna grip him there. By the tail more. By the tail. You can hold him by the belly, yeah. He's chilling. You can hold him by the belly. I'm trying to hurry. Damn, that pole's on fire, buddy. That pole's on fire. Couple more seconds. Oh shit. Never sent that one. There we go. You ready? Yeah. Oh, that's a stud, boy.
Will you let them go?
You want to?
Yeah.
Do you just want to let him go?
Will you let them go?
Will I do it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can do it. You can put him down. I'll grab him. You don't want to let him go?
He's gonna bite my hand off.
He's no, you got it. See? You want to weigh them, or?
Yeah.
Do you? Yeah. Fish on. Took it straight under the boat. Didn't even have time to get the camera on. Hey. Yeah, buddy. Right, lay her in. Oh,
My bad.
there you go. I'm trying to flip her around. Yeah, buddy. Alright. Took it straight under. Didn't even have time to get it. Oh, I need pliers for him. Hey. It's been a pretty eventful day. I might need pliers. Just because he's being stubborn. Oh, you dick. I just got you free. You snag that. Yeah, it gets a little tight. Wait. Heads up. Watch your toes. Come on, buddy. Easy. Easy. And then I'll let you go. Fucked yourself up, didn't you? Got yourself all tangled in my net. Damn it. Thank you. Alright. Not a bad fish, guys. Fun. He's ready to go. Fish on. Hey. Fish on. Took it right under the boat. Wait. Oh no, net's tangled. Fish on. Ooh, it's a decent one. He's right here. Yeah, nice. Nice. Nice job, Marcus. El Kukui. I'm telling you, he's back at it. Been on it all day. Come this way with it. Yep. Now tilt her. Easy, easy. This way. Hey, more. No, yeah. To you. Hook her on one of your eyes. You want a picture? No? You got it?
Nice, easy release.
You got it. Well, make your way up to the stomach and watch the back fins. These. No, you can, and this top one. This one and those three. That's it. Grab it. You just gotta pick her up. Squeeze her. Squeeze her. Squeeze her by the tail. Go on, Mark. What are you doing? Look.
Hey. See what it looks like.
Don't bite me. I don't want you to bite me. Here, take that. Grab, I'll grab her. Hold on, baby.
Oh, you good.
You gonna? Oh, you don't want to let her go? You gonna hold her up? She's feisty. Grab my tail, and then move your hand up more towards my fingers, like what I got. Yep. See how they're wrapped around like that? Hold them like that. Nope. One hand under the belly, around these fins.
These on?
Right here, these two. Like how my fingers are hooked around them. Put your thumb behind them, and then hook your index finger around this one. So like this.
You can throw her out.
Look.
I won't kill her.
No, you're good. Look. It's a good one, guys. She'll be good. She's a hardy fish. She already took off. Fish on? Fish on? I got that. Reel. Yeah, he's a nice one. Reel. Oh, the clicker. Oh, bring him a little closer. Raise your reel up. Your rod. There you go. Oops. Hey. Turn the switches on. Yep. Yeah, not bad, Marky. El Kukui. He's back. He's back. There you go. There you go. Perfect. Grab him from tail and then under the belly. Right behind the fence.
I'd rather grab him by the mouth.
You're gonna grab him by the mouth? Alright. Get your hook out of here. Watch it. Don't hook yourself. Here you go. Grab him under his belly. Right down here. There you go. Yeah. What a release. Look at him. Hey, that's pretty neat. That's a pretty cool video. I got that on video. You can see him. Yeah, you can see him swim off. Fish on. Out the boat holder. Oh, 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 oh. He's running. Fish on. Oh, oh. No, he spit it. Oh. Damn, he was a good one. Fish on. Yeah, here we go. Not bad. Oh, he came off the hook. Perfect timing. That's what I'm talking about. Right off. Perfect. Ow, dumbass, I just stabbed myself with the hook. That's what I'm talking about. Pretty good. Pretty good. Look at this, look, big channels. Channels all day, buddy. That's what we've been getting all day. Ain't bad. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, hold on. Gotcha. Oh, we got you, bud. Well, no shit. Because you're all wrapped up around your shit, bud. If you wouldn't have did that, I'd have set you free. Alright, guys. And. Alright, guys. Well, it's been an eventful day. Caught about 11 fish today. Or so. Tons of bites all day. Heading back to the truck now to load her up. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. SS Masturbator, El Capitan, and El Kukui out.